Never use water to put out a grease fire. Kitchen fires can be frightening, but knowing how to handle them is crucial. Let's talk about using a fire extinguisher if a fire starts on your stove. First, stay calm and quickly assess the situation. If the fire is small and manageable, you can use a fire extinguisher, but if it's too big, leave the kitchen and call 911 immediately. Know the P.A.S.S technique. To use a fire extinguisher, remember the acronym P.A.S.S. P.A.S.S. It stands for P. Pull the pin. This unlocks the extinguisher so you can use it. A. Aim low. Point the nozzle at the base of the fire, not at the flames themselves. S. Squeeze the handle. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent. S. Sweep from side to side. Sweep the nozzle from side to side until the fire is completely out. Always keep a fire extinguisher in your kitchen, preferably near the exit, and make sure it's an ABC rated extinguisher, which is suitable for most household fires. Once the fire is out, leave the area and wait for help if needed, as fires can reignite. Knowing how to use a fire extinguisher can make all the difference, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with it before you need it. Safety first, always.